In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use A/B testing within sequences in HubSpot's Sales Hub. A/B testing is an incredibly powerful tool to refine your email marketing strategies by comparing two versions of an email to see which one performs better. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can confidently and effectively use this feature in HubSpot. First, let's start by heading over to the HubSpot website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to HubSpot's homepage. This is where you begin your journey to optimize your email campaigns. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Enter your credentials and proceed to HubSpot's main dashboard. Now that you're logged in, let's go to the HubSpot home. From the dashboard, navigate to the top menu where you'll find various options. Click on Marketing to access the marketing tools offered by HubSpot. This section is where you can manage all your marketing efforts, including emails and sequences. Within the marketing section, look for the email option and click on it. This will take you to your email management area where you can view and organize your email campaigns. Here, you'll see a list of the emails you've created. To begin the A/B testing process, select an email that you want to optimize. Simply click on the email from your list and it will open up for editing. Now comes the exciting part, creating your A/B test. Look for the option labeled Create A/B Test and click on it. This option is specifically designed to help you experiment with different versions of your email. It will allow you to tweak things like subject lines, content, or even send times to see which variation resonates better with your audience. As you proceed, keep in mind some essential tips for effective A/B testing. Always change one element at a time so you can accurately determine what made the difference in performance. Also, make sure your test population is large enough to gather statistically significant data. Once your test is set up, you can monitor its progress and analyze the results to inform future email strategies. Navigating A/B tests within HubSpot is an invaluable skill that can greatly enhance your email marketing outcomes. By following these steps, you'll be equipped to make data-driven decisions, ultimately improving your email engagement rates. Thank you for watching this tutorial on A/B testing within HubSpot's Sales Hub. I hope you found it helpful and that you'll apply these strategies to boost your email marketing efforts. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Until next time, happy testing.